welcome back to my channel. So I'm testing doing this on the GoPro now. I have a very long selfie stick, so yeah, I just wanted to test and see how this is going to be.
I just do the washing. Remember I told you by the top house.
Uh-huh.
So now we try to hang out the clothes, you know.
Okay. These are the
hang
sheets?
Yeah, hang out the sheets.
Okay.
You never know when this rain gonna attack again.
Yeah.
And I like once you get it dry before the rain come again, you know.
I bet things dry fast out here because it's so hot.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
And it depends where you live.
Yeah.
So you live against the seaside,
Mm-hmm.
dry faster, you know.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
So, and we don't have all the clothes, you know. I don't
Yeah.
live that way no more, you know. No.
Yeah, it's better.
I don't have closet full with clothes and all these madness.
Okay.
You know? It makes no sense.
Yeah, the more clothes you have, the more washing you have to
The
do.
more fucking work and
Yeah.
lose money, stupid.
Exactly.
You have one closet full of clothes, pants, shirts, and you're not wearing them, you know?
Yeah.
Yes. And so much shoes.
Yeah.
And it's only 2 feet you have, you know? And you're not running a store, you know?
Yeah.
So why the sense doing all these madness, you know?
Yeah, when I'm home, I have one pair of flip-flops that I just wear every day. Same ones.
Yes.
Yeah, it's better.
It makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
But for the people who are really materialistic and love material things and love to go party, maybe they think you're crazy. You know?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes, I know.
I
I know
think
this
so.
type of people
Yeah.
and this type of culture. You know?
Sometimes people will not, like, they'll spend more money than they have just to
I
have
know,
the
man.
nice shoes and clothes.
Christmas coming now, you know. So
Yeah.
people put themselves in debt
Yeah.
just to celebrate one full slavery day. You know? That Christmas, to me, to be honest with you, I think these people who organize all these holidays, I give them credit to brainwash people so much, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, because
Yeah.
I think they slave the people with 9 to 5 right through the year, and then they break you in between and give you holiday, Christmas, Independent, Easter, and then you're stupid and think that yes, it's a holiday, but the money go right back to the slave
So,
master,
yeah.
you know.
The money you made all throughout the
You
year,
go right
just give
back
it
to
back.
all these people, you know.
Yeah.
They just trick you, you know,
Yeah.
and think you're having fun, you know, but it's not fun. You lose back all the money and then you start all over again with this 9 to 5, you know.
Yeah.
So,
It's crazy.
so crazy, yeah.
Crazy. And I think they say for Valentine's Day, it's like the most money spent in a single day.
Yeah?
All year. Yeah, buying the chocolates and cards and flowers, and also people buy like nice jewelry and
I
stuff.
know, man.
So crazy.
That's why I don't live those ways, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. And it's hard to find relationship with people who think the same way.
Yeah.
It's always be the opposite way. People thinking different, you know.
Yeah.
So relationship don't work out good at the end. You know?
Yeah, it's hard.
It might be good when it just starts, you know.
Yeah.
But for a long term, 2 months, 3 months, it starts to get fucked up, you know.
Yeah, it breaks down a
You
little.
start to see the true person.
Yeah.
Maybe the true person, my true self start to come out and she don't like it, although I don't pretend.
Yeah.
I just try to be myself at all time, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to accept me for who am I.
Yeah.
Not the things I possess, not the material things. The who I, Chucky, is.
Yeah.
Not the things around me. You know? I don't like people like that
Yeah.
who see me for material position. Just see me for who I am and accept me for that.
Yeah.
If otherwise,
Not gonna work.
no, it's not
Yeah.
gonna work. You know? And I don't
Okay.
play game, you know.
Yeah.
No, I'm not playing game with people, you know. No.
Have to find someone that thinks the same way.
Yes, and but it's hard.
Hard, yeah.
Yes, it is. Maybe I have to try to make that person.
Yeah.
It's so difficult. It's so difficult to find somebody
Yeah.
who the same person, hold on the same one accord, you know.
Yeah.
Like what they would call equal yoke, you know.
Uh-huh.
But most time we find unequal yoke.
Yeah.
So through that now, it don't work out, you know.
Hmm.
And two people don't true to themselves, you know. People always try to tell us, yeah man, me is this and me is that. At the end of the day, it's a different thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Oh, it's crazy. Even around here, that people don't think the same way as you.
No.
Okay.
No.
Hmm.
Some people think you're crazy, you know.
Yeah.
You're a madman, you know. Yes, a lot of people think that. Yeah.
Oh.
But the younger time they respect you. They respect the material position. It's
Yeah.
not you individual as a person.
Yeah.
They respect. The thing that they see you possess and people calling you Dan and this and that, you know.
Yeah.
But if you should just hide behind that and move away from the material things,
Yeah.
you're the worst person, you know.
Yeah.
So it's not really me.
Mm.
It's the things what I have.
Yeah.
Make people look up to me and they don't like it.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
I'm not that type person. Because soon as I lose these materialistic things,
Yeah.
the person will go.
Go. Yeah, they're gone.
Yes.
Yeah.
'Cause it wasn't about me.
Yeah.
It wasn't about me.
Maybe when you first meet the person, you don't really like show them that kind of stuff, so they won't even know you have it. And then later on.
No. That's why I even different from Sunrise, you know. I respect Sunrise and he's my friend, you know. But I'm not the type of person to say, you know, say I'm on YouTube. No.
Oh yeah.
No, no man.
Nothing on a car or something.
No man.
Yeah.
No man. I want people to see me as a person.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
I don't really want to have nothing behind my name, you know. Like people say, yeah man, blah blah blah. No, I don't like it.
Yeah.
I want to be standing up here, and when I stand here, people just pass me.
Yeah, they just see you and nothing
Yes,
else.
they just
Yeah.
gone, you know, because they don't know who me is, you know. But most people try to put brand and then you get this excitement. I'm not this type of hype person, what they call hype life, you know.
Yeah.
I don't like that circle, you know.
Yeah.
No.
Chucky, which is the best way to get to the river?
Huh?
Which is like, can I walk that way or no? That's what I tried before and it didn't work.
But this way?
Yeah, it can get there, right?
That's the only way. But the stone, them sometimes you slip off the stone, you know.
Oh, because I walked to the bottom, but then there's some like shallow water, so I have to walk through that water, or
This one.
like there's some water at the bottom.
Yes, you can always have water here. You know?
Oh, and you walk through that to get to the rest of the river?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to try to make it like that. You know?
Okay. So I went to the right place then.
Yes, you went to the
Okay.
right place.
I thought I went the wrong way.
No, it's not the wrong way, it's the right
Okay.
place. But the better part of the river, I told you before,
Up there.
is the end of the road.
Oh.
You know?
Uh-huh.
So you can drive the car, go there and park.
Oh, okay.
But you can walk the district, but it's a good little walk. I
Oh.
think the distance from here to the bridge, it's a little far, you know?
Oh, far.
Yes.
So better to drive.
Yes, like we have a car, you can use it.
Okay.
Unless you want to walk and visit the place or whatsoever.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
The community.
Yeah. Okay.
But you can check it out.
Yeah. Okay.
Especially when the weather better. Later tomorrow, because it's getting cloudy.
Yeah. I hope it doesn't rain today.
I don't think so.
Okay.
If you have rain, it's not going to be hard rain. You know?
Okay. Yeah, just part of the day or
Just part of
something.
the day.
Okay.
Just like that.
Yeah.